Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the shadow blur on Picsart. So first of all, we want to open Picsart. After opening it, here is an option. You can see here open editor, click on that. So for adjusting the shadow blur, first you just need to upload an image. And then you just need to add the shadow. So for adding the shadow, here on the top as an option, you can see here edit, click on that. And then here on the left as an option, you can see here shadow, click on that. You just need to turn it on. And then for adjusting the blurriness of the shadow, here's an option. You can see here blur, and from here you can just adjust it. And then you can see that you had been adjust the shadow blur on Picsart. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.